Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the story mode on the Clinical Case Screen Sidebar. From the diary screen, click on the desired patient's booking. The diary sidebar will open. Click on the Clinical button to open the Clinical Case screen. On the Clinical Case sidebar, click on the Story Mode button. The Clinical History screen will open. For an extensive explanation of the Clinical History screen, please refer to the Clinical History user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Filter Events panel on the Clinical History sidebar. Now we will go over the additional information displayed within the panel. You're able to switch between Story Mode and Normal Mode by clicking on the Normal Mode or Story Mode button. Please note that Normal Mode gives you a more compact view of the information displayed in Story Mode. Type the number of dates to display into the number of dates to load field. Click on the From field to open a date picker. On the date picker, you can select the date from when the clinical events will be filtered. Untick or tick the desired clinical event under the Filter by Event Type section that you would like to view or hide from the filtered list. Click on the Filter by Case ID drop-down menu. Select the applicable option to filter the listed cases by the ID allocated to each case. Untick or tick the Show Deleted Events checkbox if you would like to include or exclude any clinical events that were previously deleted into the filtered list. Untick or tick the Show Fully Credited Invoices checkbox if you would like to include or exclude any clinical events whose invoices have been fully credited. Once the relevant filters have been set, click on the Refresh button on the Filter Events panel to refresh the results of the filters that have been selected. In order to send an email of all the clinical notes in the listed clinical events, click on the Email All Visible Events button.